Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you turn your script into a video in minute. Picture script to video features at a glance, super fast video generation, built from the ground up to work at lightning speed. Picture's unique real fast technology enables you to turn your script into stunning videos in minutes instead of hours. AI Assistant. Picture's powerful AI does the work for you. Create your first video in less than 10 minutes. No previous video making experience or technical knowledge required. Huge media library. Text-to-speech. PC and Mac compatible. So you need to select input source or tap on the script to video. Start with the script or paste the script here. Then view and edit text summary. Picture's AI engine automatically selects the best summary sentences for your final video. You can add or remove sentences that you wish to include in your final video. View and edit video storyboard. Picture's AI engine automatically selects the best images and video footage representing the summary sentences. Picture offers over 3 million visuals, which are royalty-free and licensed from various sources. You can easily change this visual with a single click and even use your own asset. Our AI automatically picks a musical soundtrack to accompany your video. Choose another one from our thousands of tracks or upload your own music. Choose an AI-enabled voiceover from a set of naturally sounding voices. You can also record your own voice or upload a professional voiceover. Then, we provide a variety of pre-created animations, fonts, and color settings in the form of themes. Choose one of these themes. Also, customize your own brand settings with your logo, intro, outro, fonts, and color schemes. If you want to change the visual, tap on the visual on the left side, and more visuals will appear here. Then select the best for you, and it will automatically appear in your work. And last, do a quick preview of the video to see how it looks. Generate the video and then download it as an MP4 file. And that's all. If you want to try Pictory AI, you can find the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.